Mr. Speaker, where is it? Where is it? The educational sector. You told us that you are going to ensure that the head... Mr. Speaker, where is it? Where is it? The educational sector. You told us that you are going to ensure that the head teachers will do their own procurement. Oh, so you're also interested in centralized procurement? I see. I see. So all you did was to win power? Today, you have come to this house to tell us that you want a 360 million. After all, you also want IMF support. After all, you want World Bank support. And like Honorable Opon Nkrumah said, we have some members who stood and criticized the MPP and said, no, where are your views? Your silence is too loud, too loud. What is your attitude towards women? Are you giving them equal opportunity? The many women you have on your side, 40 of the women. Hajia Ladi is in this house. You are not giving her appointment. Honorable Helen Intosu, no appointment. Member for Domiko Ambevenya, no appointment. Mr. Speaker, what is this government really up to? Mr. Speaker, today, when the power was given to them, their true colors, the true colors of this government is now known. Power has exposed you. Power has exposed your weakness. Yours is campaign talk, not governance. Mr. Speaker,
Leader.
Mr. Speaker,
Leader.
Mr. Speaker, I need to speak my heart out. Mr. Speaker, in the report, they are talking about using some of the money for...
Mr. Speaker, still on the matter of candor, when the original $900 million facility was negotiated, it was negotiated as complementary funding coming from the World Bank to complement what the IMF was doing as part of that program. It was not because of these reasons, but there is obviously an attempt to obfuscate and change the reason. And that's why I'm saying that you must have candor. But Mr. Speaker, this is not the first time that the government side is trying to obfuscate. You recall when they came to this chamber with the 8% levy on fuel. To hide it, they told Ghanaians that it was 1 Ghana cedi per litre. Because they didn't want to say that it was 8%. Because they know that when they state the percentage, everybody's attention will go to the fact that it's a high percentage. So, Chairman and your members of the committee, please exercise candor when you are bringing these documents to Parliament. Mr. Speaker, the second thing I want to speak about is the utilization of funds or the use of proceeds. I have in my hands here the parliamentary memorandum by Thomas Nyako Ampim, MP, Deputy Minister for Finance, on the proposed 360 million facility. Mr. Speaker, I would invite the House to look at page 11 of 24. And here they talk about use of proceeds. Chairman of the committee, if I have your attention, use of proceeds. He says, Cabinet will recall that in the 2025 budget, we programmed to spend 13 billion cedis owed to contractors. The full amount, Mr. Speaker, the full amount of the 360 million from the DPO2 will be used to finance part of this 13 billion cedis. The Ministry of Finance has begun discussion with the World Bank for the third tranche. Mr. Speaker, they told Cabinet that the full amount of the $360 million from the DPO2 will be used to finance part of this $13 billion payment to contractors. It wasn't going to be used for goods and services. Now, let me show you your own report that you have brought to this chamber. I'll take you to page 8 of this report. Mr. Speaker, now that they got cabinet approval, when they came to Parliament, they now say that they are going to use the money to improve private investment and foreign direct investment, to minimize fiscal burden caused by losses in the power sector. Mr. Speaker, you recall that when they introduced the 8% levy on fuel, they told us that power sector issues, they needed that money for it. When they came to Parliament asking us to amend the Energy Sector Levies Act, before Parliament rose the last time, they told us power issues. They went to Cabinet and told Cabinet that they are going to use this money 100% to pay contractors. Now you are telling us that you are going to use it for power sector issues. They are going further to tell us that they are looking to deal with the financial health of the power sector. They are looking to deal with operational and commercial efficiency. They say they are going to deal with protection for vulnerable and to reduce extreme poverty. Mr. Speaker, now in Parliament they are saying that they are going to improve social safety net and gender equality. In fact, they go further to say that they are going to use this money for climate resilience. All of this is on page 8 of your report. All of this is on page 8 of your report. When you went to Cabinet, you told Cabinet that you were using this money essentially to pay contractors. Yes, we understand that there are contractors in the energy sector, contractors in various sectors. But if you now come to add to it issues of safety net for social safety net, gender equity, extreme poverty reduction, you are deviating from the original purpose for which this 900 million facility was negotiated. Mr. Speaker, by the way, if they are going to pay contractors, the contractors on the Akimodan to Ofansi Road, they are waiting for their payment. Dr. Gideon Buako was telling us a few minutes ago that the contractors from the Boma to Tepa Road, they are waiting for their payment.
Honorable members,
please do not divert.
Honorable members, it's better we keep quiet so that we can listen to each other. If you heckle him, you will speak and somebody else also heckles you. Please, let's help each other so that we finish this exercise on time. Yes, Honorable.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, so as I was saying, if they are paying contractors, the contractor from Akimodan to Ofansi is waiting for his payment. The contractor from Boma to Tepa is waiting for his payment. But Mr. Speaker, in essence, what is happening is that this loan is going to add $360 million to the debt stock. A few months ago, and this $360 million excludes the interest. A few months ago, when the MPP came to this chamber requesting for $300 million, which obviously would add to the debt stock, our friend said $300 million addition to the debt stock was bad. Today, $360 million added to the debt stock is good because you are in power. Continue. Mr. Speaker,